Hi everyone, welcome back to the Guide Up YouTube channel. Today for this video of Guide Up, I will be showing you how to log in Yahoo account. Now to log in, first of all, open a browser on your PC that you have been using. Then click open a new tab. On the search bar, you need to type in yahoo.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of Yahoo. Once you're at the official web page, you move your mouse cursor to the sign in over here, click on it. It will direct you to the sign-in page. On the sign-in page, you need to type in your username, email or the phone number to get logged in. You can also log in with the Google if you have linked your Yahoo with the Google account. If not, you provide your details and then get logged in. Type in the email address over here and then click on next. Now then you provide the password and then click on next. With this, you will be easily signed in into the account. So this is how you can sign in into the Yahoo account of yours. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Guide Up YouTube channel. Thank you.